Welcome back to IAS Tech. In this video, I am going to show you how to upload your website in free to GitHub Pages. So you don't need to buy any hosting plan or something like that. Nothing is required. You just need a GitHub account that is totally free. Just get a GitHub account and then you will just upload your website to the GitHub page, to the GitHub repository, and then you can easily make it publicly available. You can host it to the GitHub, and anybody can view your website, can visit your website and see. So that is totally free, 100% free, nothing to pay. So this is how I am going to do that now. For that, let me close all other tabs. So to show you a demo, I am going to use this Bootstrap free template that is available on internet. Just I'm going to click on the free download button. It is downloaded. Click on this to extract it, and this is the folder. I am going to open this folder in VS Code. For that, right click and click on the new terminal, add the folder. So in the terminal, type code space dot. This would open your website in the VS Code. Okay, so now I am in the VS Code. So the next step is I want to open this website in the browser to see it, to at least see how it looks like in my local server. So this is how it looks like in my local server in local computer. So it should work in the same way after you upload to the GitHub page. So let's see the process. The very first step is that you need to have an account on GitHub, and after creating an account, you need to create a repository on GitHub. So let's go to the github.com and click on the plus icon, click on the new repository, type any name that you want to set. I want to set GitHub Pages test. Okay. Click on the create repository. Next, we need to uh, run few of these commands to set up this repository in our project. So in your terminal, type github init. Actually, not GitHub, it is git init. Git init. This would initialize. What is happening? Operation not permitted. Strange. Uh, Let me try again. At this time, there is no existing Git folder, so it should create that. Git init. Yeah, now it works. Sorry about that. So it has initialized the Git in your project. Next, you need to add you need to add all of these files in the staging area of your GitHub or of your Git repository. For that, type git add dot. The meaning of dot is that you are going to add all of the changes in the staging area. So just press enter. Now you have to commit your changes. For that, git commit -m, my first site. Okay, press enter. You can see that all of the changes that I had are committed now. Now it's Now you have to add the remote original in this way. For that, type git remote add origin, and then you have to paste this URL here like this and press enter. This way it will add the remote origin in your uh, git folder. Now You have to type git push origin master to push it to your repository in the GitHub. Press enter. Now wait for some time. It might take some time because the folder size is bit huge. It is, I guess it the let's see the folder size. I guess it is too big size. That is why it is taking so much time. For example, if you uh, yeah, the zip file was 6.6 MB. Anyways, it has been pushed to the remote GitHub repository. So now I want to reload this page to make sure that all files are uploaded already. So, what happened? Huh, that's interesting. Actually, there was an error. The remote end hung up unexpectedly. So I guess that might be because of internet or something. Let me try that again. Uh, I don't want you to wait for this upload, so I am going to pause the video for a while and then I will unpause it after it is uploaded. Alright guys, my commit has been pushed to the GitHub repository successfully. Let's reload it and let's make sure if all files are uploaded. Yeah, it has been pushed successfully. Now we are ready to make this website live. But before doing that, let me tell you a very important thing that you should consider every time you want to upload your website through the GitHub pages. And that thing is that make sure your website has the index.html file. If your project does not have the index.html file, then that's mean it will not work. So make sure your website has at least index.html file. So we already have index.html file. That's mean we are ready to go. So now go to the settings tab of your repository in the GitHub, and here scroll down a little bit, and here you can see something GitHub Pages. So as you can read, it is saying GitHub Pages is designed to host your personal organization or project pages from the GitHub repository. So yeah, you can host your website now, and from the source section you can click on this drop down and select the branch that you want to upload and you want to host. So click on the master and keep it like this as it is, and click on the save folder. Okay. After it is done, this will give you a live unique URL. This might take a little bit time, maybe let's open it. Or maybe it is done already. Yeah, it might take a little bit time to deploy there, but it will be uploaded after some time. So I will keep up reloading this website and make sure if it is done or not yet. So I guess it will take some time. So because the size of the website was large, so maybe that is why it is taking this much amount of time. So I'm going to pause the video for a little bit time and I will unpause once it is available live again. After waiting for some time, it is still not deployed yet. So I'm going to troubleshoot it, and I wanted to show you how I am going to troubleshoot it. I believe that this is not deployed yet because it would be deployed from the next commit, not from this commit. So because this commit is already has pushed, so to make a new commit, let's go back to the code and let's make a minor change and we will commit it. and we will push then. On that new commit, it will trigger the deployment and it will deploy to this URL. So let's see. I'm hoping that I'm correct. So let's try that. So I have saved it and I am going to add a commit, my changes. Yes. And now I am going to push it. Git push origin master. Okay. Now it is pushed and I'm going to reload to see if new commit is there. Yeah, new commit has been uploaded here. Now I'm hoping that this site should be live now. Okay. Did you see? Even if you enable the GitHub pages from your settings area, it will still not upload your website to this URL. But once you make another commit and push it after enabling the GitHub pages, then it will deploy. So remember this thing. Whenever you want to make your website live, first enable the GitHub pages, then make your commit and push it. And in that case, it will be deployed. So it is really cool. You have now hosted your website to the GitHub pages for free. You will never have to pay it. It is free forever. It will stay there. So I hope you will enjoy this video and I hope this would be helpful for you. If you liked my video, then please don't forget to press on like button, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon if you don't forget and if you don't want to miss any notifications of my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you again. Take care. Bye.